Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says nationwide platform Mera Yuva Bharat to be launched on October 31st to mark birth anniversary of Sardar Patel, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to conclude on Tuesday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi discusses prevailing situation in West Asia with Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, reiterates New Delhi's stand on Israel-Palestine issue. Meghalaya government actively working to obtain a geographical indication tag, airy products of state, says Nongport legislator Miral Bonsim. And Shillong Lajong FC pip Northeast United FC in a match organized to mark inauguration of Mao Langwir soccer tourney. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that the culmination of Amrit Kalash Yatra will be marked on Delhi's Kartavya Path on the 31st of this month. Addressing the nation in his Man Ki Baat program on Akashwani, Modi said the soil collected from every corner of the country under Amrit Kalash Yatra is now reaching Delhi. He said this soil will be put in an enormous Bharat Kalash and an Amrit Vatika will be built in Delhi. The Prime Minister stated that it will remain as a grand legacy of the Amrit Mahotsav in the heart of the country's capital. The Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which has been going on for the last 2.5 years across the country, will conclude on the 31st of October. On this day, nation will celebrate the birth anniversary of Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Prime Minister informed that the foundation of a nationwide organization, Mera Yuva Bharat, will be laid on the occasion.
राष्ट्रव्यापी संगठन की नींव रखी जा रही है और वो भी सरदार साहब की जन्म जयंती के दिन। इस संगठन का नाम है मेरा युवा भारत, यानी माय भारत। माय भारत संगठन भारत के युवाओं को राष्ट्र निर्माण के विभिन्न आयोजनों में अपनी सक्रिय भूमिका निभाने का अवसर देगा।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi discussed the current situation in West Asia and its implications for the region and the world with Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. In a telephone conversation yesterday, the two leaders expressed their shared concern about terrorism, violence and loss of civilian lives. The Prime Minister reiterated India's long-standing and principled position on the Israel-Palestine issue. With the aim of highlighting the talent of weavers in the state, particularly Ribhoi district, which is a leading producer of Eri silk in the region, the Weavers Service Centre in Guwahati organized a 5-day district handloom expo Tanabana. The event was inaugurated on Friday by Nongport legislator Miral Bonsim at the NSCA Pahams EM playground. Apart from weavers from Meghalaya, craftsmen from Assam and Sikkim are also participating in the program, showcasing a wide array of weaves and finished products. Speaking at the event, Miral Bonsim commends the Weavers Service Centre for organizing such an expo in Ribhoi district. He mentioned that the government is actively working to obtain a geographical indication tag for these products.
Gidap dari jeng sukumen ke bakrau bani I ya ki nong tan gibi ki jum ndai ta ki nong thang jan rendi andre ki nong tan ye ki ni tiar ki bla ban mi ki tan mula ki ni ki jeng bu jeng penbu internet decoration lagi ding lagi si prepare ki pla bat kum ta ter ki non lang hang ni bat ni sukumen bakum gani ka program lala ban organize hang ni hapo nong po na ka benta. The
Meghalaya Human Rights Commission, in collaboration with Kiang Nangba Government College Jawai, organized a one-day awareness program on human rights at the Kiang Nangba Government College Auditorium on Friday. The event witnessed the presence of Jawai local MLA Wailat Miki Shilla as the chief guest, along with member of Meghalaya Human Rights Commission B. Giri, who delivered the keynote address. Shilla in his speech shared his concerns about the abundance of online platforms such as WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook, where information flows freely. While acknowledging that not all information is incorrect, he emphasized the need for people to be cautious and not jump to conclusions without knowing the true facts.
There are so many universities are coming up online. That is the WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. Where there are so many information are coming. I'm not saying that they are all wrong, but at the same time, they are not all right.
The closing ceremony of a 6-month foundation course in computer and employability training for the visually impaired was held at Bethany Society on Saturday. Around 15 students successfully completed a 6-month foundation course in computer and employability training. Attending the program as a special guest, the Director General of Northeast Center for Technology and Reach, Dr. Arun Kumar Sarma, urged the NGOs to bring more people to avail the course. The All Jaintia Muster Roll Workers and Labour Union CEC organized an awareness program in Jowai on Friday. The program focused on raising awareness about crime against women and drug abuse and saw the participation of muster roll workers from Jaintia and women's organizations from various localities in Jowai town. The program was graced by Lucy Ksu, manager of One Stop Center Sabah Muswang, and Dr. J.N. Shilai, director MCSWA, who served as resource persons. They shed light on the crucial aspects of these two issues that greatly impact women. Ksu, in her speech, highlighted the rising trend of crime against women.
Una kalamo in general mula deklam icham kirain bunga di kirain dua ikiti handren ministry uklam du kirain dan ki goya to ko kitha ki di kita ki kam du percaya ke an du tekan ke an du chale leme du chaban de kitha.
In an interesting soccer match played at Maulangwir village that lies at the hamlet of Maukarwat subdivision in the southwest Khasi Hills, Shillong Lajong FC beat Northeast United FC 1-0. From the beginning, Shillong Lajong maintained its dominance. The lone goal of the match was scored by Warajiat Kinsai Rinklem in the first half of the match. The match was organized to mark the inauguration of the 16th Maulangwir Football Invitation Tournament 2023-24, organized by Maulangwir Sports Club at Rowell Lingdot Stadium on Saturday. VPP President and Nongkrem MLA Arden Milamasayomat attended the program.
I'm sure that this tournament will be able to give a big push and motivate our youth with talents to be more serious in the efforts to achieve what they aspire for in life.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was 22.2 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 11.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 61%, while in the evening was 71%. 0.5 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. The forecast, Shillong will experience dry weather most likely. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says nationwide platform Mera Yuva Bharat to be launched on October 31st to mark birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to conclude on Tuesday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi discusses prevailing situation in West Asia with Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, reiterates New Delhi's stand on Israel-Palestine issue. Meghalaya government actively working to obtain a geographical indication tag Airy Products of State, says Nongpo legislator Meralbon Iem. And Shillong Lajong FC pipped Northeast United FC in a match organized to mark inauguration of Maulangwir soccer tourney. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, it's good night.